So, hello student. Today we are going to discuss the explain number 4 of cyber security, that is to use of networking and security auditing tools. So, first of all, we will discuss that why we required network and why we required network and security auditing tools. Why we require auditing, or what we can say that um, perform the accounting on network security. So first of all, we will discuss the network, then what is the requirement of security, and then we will discuss the different network security tools which are available for the vulnerabilities. Now, what is cyber security? To provide the security, or what we can say that to protect the secure, to protect our system from the unauthorized access. That are what we are going to do. We are going to, in short, what we can say that we are going to protect our cyberspaces machine from the hacker or attacker. Now here there are different terms which are available, that is cybercrime. Okay, because the attacker, how he is going to attack your system, he or she will use the different techniques or different tools, different attacking tools to harm your system. Now the intention is that to harm your system or to gain your confidential data from your system, also uh, to get the financial reward from you people. Okay, now the main thing is that how he will or she will going to attack your system. Okay, so different techniques which are available, different viruses, different tools which are available. Okay, so the main thing is that viruses, then denial of service attack, then SQL injection, then backdoor entry which are available, keyloggers which are available, that are software keyloggers and hardware keylogger which are available. Also they will use the whenever they will use the different pop-up windows to attract you people. They will send you they will attack you by phishing, by smishing, by wishing. Okay, they will attack you by the different social engineering, that is different then he will use the ID theft. Okay, so these are so many techniques which are available and which is to be used by the attacker to attack on the victim PC. Now, to audit, network auditing means what? Okay, to what we can say that to audit or to account the network traffic which are available on the networks, that because of that we are going to uh, we can say that ki we are not with the help of that we will be aware that uh, the attacker using the network traffic to attack on your network. So solar wine network configuration manager, it is the tool which is to be available online for the network auditing. So it is the one of the top network security auditing tool because it gives you the ability to shut down vulnerabilities throughout your network. So SolarWind Network Configuration Manager, it is a device configuration and auditing tool or accounting tool, lets you manage the configuration of network devices. So you can deploy the configuration to device inside your network. You can also view unauthorized or incorrect configuration. Yes, that's the thing we already discussed, that with the help of solar wine network configuration manager, we are going to find out the incorrect or unauthorized access to your network. Okay, also we can find out that who is going to use our network system, who is transferring the dummy packets or different illegal packets on your network. Another way is the Wireshark, which are also available. So this solar wine network configuration manager, it used for network vulnerability scanning feature monitor the network and automatically deploy a firmware which update to outdated devices. Through the dashboard you can view a range of data on status of view the status state of your environment. For example, there is a mixture of list and graphs detailing everything from firmware vulnerability to security policy violation and the overall configuration changes and more. There are also additional features like reports and alerts. With the help of that we can easily find out that the incorrect configuration and the unauthorized access to your network. Okay, so these are the things which are related to the network security auditing tools. So why we conclude over here, uh, what we are going to conclude over here. So networking or network, it is the broad range which are available. So this is okay, finally this is end, this is up to the users side way. Okay, how he or she going to use that things. Okay, so here we will conclude that. So here we study the use of network and security auditing school. Okay, thank you.